Today for phonics, we are going to be looking at these words and reading them, and we are going to be sorting the words by things that they have in common. That means things that are the same about the words. So first, let's go and just review these words. Like, fine, man, met, pet, make, pan, take, ran, and lake. So we are going to be sorting these words today. So take a minute and think about what these words have in common. One thing that I notice about these words is I see a CVC pattern. So what that means is we have a consonant, a vowel, and another consonant. So let me explain what I mean. So I see words with a CVC pattern. Let's pick the word man, for example. We know that the letter A is a vowel. The letter A is a vowel. The other letters are consonants. So we have consonant, vowel, consonant. So the word man and the word pan, those words rhyme, but they also both have the same CVC pattern. We have a vowel or a consonant, then a vowel, and then another consonant. So we see a pattern in these words. Let's look again. The word ran also fits this description. We have a consonant, a vowel, another consonant. And the vowel in this word is another A. So these words all have 3 letters. They all have a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern, and they all have an A. So we could sort those because those go together. Let's look at another rule or another way we could sort these words. What about the words fine and like and make? All of these words have an E at the end, and the E makes the vowel say its name. Fine, like, make. All of those vowels say their name. And they all say their name because they have a quiet E at the end of the word. And the quiet E makes the vowel say its name. So for this group of letters or words, we are going to label it. Let me change my pen color. We're going to label this quiet E, silent E, silent E at the end of the word. So that is the pattern we see with these words. So they all have a silent E. All right. Put a little dash there. The next words that we see, we have met and pet. And we can put those down here with the CVC pattern. We have a consonant, a vowel, and another consonant. They both have 3 letters. They both have 1 vowel. And the vowel in these words is the E, M, et. And all of these vowels say their short sound. M, an, P, an, R, an, M, et, and pet. They all say their short vowel sound. And these words over here, take, to, ache, and l, ache, could also go in the silent E pattern. They have a quiet E that makes the vowel say its name. It says it's a long sound. So I'm going to underline the vowel in the middle. And then we have the quiet E that makes it say its name. So today you guys are going to be looking at words and sorting them by patterns that you notice. And you are going to be uploading a picture of your work.